Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you about the emergency information security on OPPO mobile phone setting. Okay, so friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After you have been moved on setting, you have to scroll on the down. Okay, not scroll, just click on search bar and search for the emergency information. Okay, so here is the emergency information, just click on it. After that, here you are going to find here is the emergency information. Okay, click here. Okay, after you have been click on it, click on add. Then from here you can see name, height, weight, sex, blood type, date of birth, organ donor, whatever you can choose from here medical card. Okay, so your personal emergency information can be displayed on the emergency call, and this is the alert page to give first responder the critical information they need. So this is the basic information. Okay, and here you can write your health, enter any medications you take. Okay, and here is the enter your allergies, and the last is the enter remarks. From here you can check the emergency information. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. And here I want to show you, this is the emergency call. It has been activated, and if you want to off, then you can see here is the auto call emergency services. The emergency number is the 112. Okay, here emergency number. So you can off also, you can on also. And here is the sound alert before dialing, auto send SOS messages. Okay, so let's see this one, low battery message. This one, if you want to know about this, then you can give me a comment. I will make videos about that. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.